DNB Network with Dee's Sparta.
It's me, Dee, and welcome to the DNB Network. Today, we are going to unbox Glow Addict. Now, you know, I have been kind of really happy with Glow Addict. And in my my video where I went through and reviewed all the different subscription boxes, this one was up there, and it really surprised me because I didn't expect something like this. This nice, price effective product would be so useful. So, okay, well, I don't know the prices yet. I will look them up and post them up in the editing process. But remember, this box is only $18.99 a month, and you get 5 to 7 products, and you do get full-size items. So it's really, that's really a great deal. Now I have like a big huge mat for cleaning brushes, but this is even got a suction. Stick it and can clean your brushes. This is nice. This is handy. I had a big one, but now this is a small. I have not seen one this size. And I always thought the other one was too bulky. So this is definitely a good tool for cleaning your brushes. And I need to clean my brushes again. And we got Steve Laurent. Let's see here. What is in this? Try to open it up. And dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, this is like a serum, I think. Oh, it smells really nice. Oh wow, this is really cool. My lips need it. My lips are so dried out and messy. Okay. Or is this their gloss? It's Orchid. Really? Let me see. Yeah, it's glossy. That's really nice. I like this product. Now we're going to go and see what else is in here. Looks like I have another makeup tool. When I get some more research on this, I'll put in there more detail what this product is about and the price. This, oh, I see, I have flimsy plastic lash tongs. These are really nice. It's from iBeauty, which is a company from Glow Addict. And yeah, I think this is really nice. And it's pretty. It's all gold plated, fancy. This is a nice tool. And lashes. Now, this is from Lvndr Beauty. Oh, these are magnetic faux mink lashes with a magnetic liner. It comes with magnetic liner? Oh, wow. Let me see. I got to check this out. Yes, I do. Yep, here it is, my magnetic liner. And these lashes. You know, I did a video on about 3 or 4 different kinds of magnetic liner eyelash brands, but this was not one of them. So I'm going to try this out. And alrighty, and so we got lashes, gloss, lash tweezer to put on, brush cleaner. So that's pretty, you know. And this lash is it's a contour palette, and it's from Aesthetica Contour Series Powder. Let's see what this is like. Oh wow, there's a whole booklet on how to contour. Oh, how neat. Instructions. I know there are people who don't know how to contour for their face shape, and this will definitely come in handy. And here is the palette, Artistry Exposed. It's got your light colors and your darker skin colors, so people of multiple skin tones can use this. And that's good. That's nice. I've seen some where there's some darker colors and even lighter, so this is kind of like the mid-range, I would say. And swatch is nice. It feels really nice. It looks like you can depot this easily also and put it in a magnetic palette. Yeah, they just pop right out like this. It's a magnetic palette in it, so that's cool. That is really kind of cool. So all this for just $18, $18.99. Well, I bought it in a bulk, so I got, you know, a little less. So, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Now I want to go into, I got some more stuff that I want to. All right, I also got stuff from SpellBound Beauty. SpellBound Beauty, I've already did a review on their divination palette. I believe that is in the July makeup palette review video. And they have a new palette now, which is Enchantment. And because I really did like their divination palette, I wanted to continue this series. And like, these colors are really beautiful. There is so much you can do with a palette like this. And I was playing with it the other day and swatching this, and I really like the shimmers. They're creamy but blendable. Their mattes are not too dry. He does a great job with this. He really does. And there is one pressed powder, which I had to, it was, pressed powders can get so messy, but they can be so pretty. It's like, I love them, but I hate them, you know. But yeah, I'll swatch all this out. This is just, I love all the purples and the oranges and the golds and browns. It's beautiful. All right, and I did get, they have these new highlighters. There's, look like a crystal ball, which is really, I like the aesthetic. It's so adorable. However, when I went to open this, I lost about half the powder because it is just loose powder, and there's no top on it to like a shaker top to protect it from flying out. You only get a little bit. And I was covered in this stuff yesterday, and it's still, I'm trying to get it out of my carpet. But it is really, I mean, it goes on and it shines. I mean, it is amazing shine. It is bright. You can't really see in here. I'll just watch it and do a nice pretty video of it. But it is messy stuff. That to me is, I wish it had a different top so I could use it like our setting powders have usually. Loose setting powders. It needs a loose powder top thing, please, next time. Because it's a great product. It's just really, really, really messy. All right, and I also have here, I love the movie The Craft, okay? And Wicked Sisters came out with Invocation of the Spirit, and this palette is based on, you know, inspired by the movie The Craft. And the colors in here are really, are nice. There's blue, and you got some gray, you got a really nice black, you got shimmers. There is one pressed glitter again. This one has a bluey shimmer. It's got some purples and some greens. I like the fact that it has greens. That is really kind of nice. I don't wear enough greens, I think. I'm going to start adding some of that into my colors here. But it swatches beautifully, the products. They do. And the shimmer, this is Manon. That, I mean, I was like, ooh-hoo. It's a pretty color. It's not too shimmery, but it's like really nice. It's a pretty color, pretty colors. And so I'm going to I can't wait to try this one out, and I will be doing some looks with this. I might do a looks video if you guys are interested and see what I can create with these palettes. Just comment down below and I will do so. I also got some more trick goodies. Now, some of you may know Lvndr Beauty friend of mine. I love her. Besties. Woo! I'm a bestie, Lavender bestie for sure. And I had ordered nails from her, and look at these nails. I'm going to be putting them on and wearing them this week. I also got another package of nails that are the coffin, but the exact same color, because I just love this galaxy midnight blue and purple colors. They're just, she does an amazing job. It came with nail glue, it came with a cuticle pusher, it came with alcohol pads and a nail file. It's a full, you get a full kit with this. It was great. And I know she had a sale where you could buy, if you bought some nails, you get free lashes, which is really a nice, because she also has, I'm wearing Jenny lashes of hers, and I got, oh, no, this is Jenny. What am I wearing? Or do I have two? No, I don't have two Jennies, but this is Jenny, and I'm wearing one of her sets of lashes also. No, yeah, and I love them. They're just, they feel good on my eyes. They're not heavy. I don't feel like something is annoying and I want to just rip them off. It's very natural. So this is just a Glow Addict box unboxing and a makeup haul of other indie brands. Since Glow Addict focuses on indie brands and they do bring such a nice selection of indie brands, I just thought I'd do a whole indie brand video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was short, it's sweet because it's Labor Day, and I got to go shopping and I got to go barbecue with my family. I love you all. Oh, I think I have a little Haley wants to say hi.
Bye.
Bye. So everyone, please remember, be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. I love you, and I'll see you next time here on the MB Network.